making show.
I tie him small, you tie him big now again.
No.
What? No, no. Why you open? Ugh.
Come here. Come here. Yeah. See? Tumo. God. Should you put your shampoo? No?
ಎಂಚಿನ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾರನಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಸೋಪು
So that the dirty is removed from his hair. One minute. Come on. Wait.
na to kani. Tu yan.
He's thinking I'm cold. You need to spray it on him. Wow.
Hey,
Out of
you press this one, no chain, no, from your feet. This side.
Này. Mày cổ tốt không?
Tamu,
Wow.
neck. This chest. शावर के लिए गया हाँ शावर के लिए शावर के लिए फ्रेश झाले गे आणि सुत्ती आहे तू काय सुत्ती होणं जमलं ते मानले पण त्यानुसार सुत्ता येईल तू गड्या हा पकरे बसे झालंय तुझ्या झालंय काय झालंय बुरसो फ्रेश झालोय गे
Fresh. Tomo is a fresh. How are you doing?
You go take bath also.
Yes.
You're dirty.
Shit. Only I call me.
Tamu.
Aray ka. Put the cloth. Tama. Tama. Fresh. This another one. Take bath. Bagong ligo. Dali. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today guys, we are going to I have some plants there, so I need to cover it with the banana tree, banana skin. What you call banana skin, be? This one, yes, this banana. What you call that one? Skin, no? Yeah. So I will show you guys my plant vegetable. So this is my plant guys. That is a sponge gourd. Ayan, patola. And this is, I don't know what is that. I keep all the vegetables there. Watermelons, sweet melon. I don't know what is this. So I think this is watermelon or some vegetable. Look at there. Here also. Then I have how many there? 5 pieces. So I have in one, this one 2. I put 2 plant. It's there. So I need to cover it. And then this is the saluyot. What in English saluyot be? This one is like a slimy one. We called in our language saluyot. It's like a ladyfinger. It's slimy one. So I plant it here. And another one is the chili. This is chili there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plants. I keep it 2. It's a 10 plant here. So I cover it to protect from the sun. So same thing, I will cover that banana skin. I need to cover it, guys. So make like this only. To protect the sun. Yeah, that's it. You make it like this only, guys. Looking for the house? So look at this, guys. So I do like this to protect from the sun. Because yesterday I keep this one. I replant from the pot, this one. So it is. Then I will put water little. Didilig tayo, guys. Put water. Eat it. So, ayan guys, tapos na ako magdilig. I already finished putting water. So, sobrang init. What is Dada doing there? Oh, see, look Dada there. He's removing all the grass from this one flower. What you call this one, be? This flower? Huh? Jasmine, what is you call? Jaji? Oh. This plant is Jaji. This one. Jaji. This one is pink and what you call this? Not too much smell, no? There is no smell like this one, no? Like jasmine. But we are selling this one for the rainy season, guys. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Our jasmine. Early morning. I think it's already 9 o'clock. How it is. See, look. My jasmine. Look at the jasmine. It's growing the flowers. It's blooming. So starting again, they start giving flower. Look at that. There is one vegetable. This guys is marigold, right? Ben, no? Marigold, no? See, look at this. Too much flower now. Actually, guys, this one I just spread here. Then later on, it's growing. See, look at this. They have nice. See, look the flowers. It's a beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. There also. So it's called marigold. Look at this. So nice. Dami na niyang bulaklak. It will, if all the flowers bloom, no? It's very nice, no? I will plant again until there.